A governor does not come under the Right to Information Act as he enjoys privilege of immunity under Article 361 of the country's constitution. The governor's private advocate Carlos Ferreira has submitted to the Goa State Information Commission. The complainant, social activist advocate Iris Rodriguez, however, maintains that when the President of India, who appoints governors of state, has admitted that she comes under the RTI Act, there was no question of the governor not coming under the purview of the RTI Act.
A hearing of the case was held at the Goa State Information Commission on Tuesday following the complaint by social activist Iris Rodriguez after the governor's office refused to part with the information sought by the social activists under the RTI Act. The matter has been fixed for arguments on 21st of January. Goa State Information Commission had issued summons to the governor directing him to appear personally before the Commission's office in connection with a complaint filed by social activists for not complying with the Right to Information Act. Every governor is assisted and guided by the Advocate General of the state on all legal matters. In this case, this is the first time that the governor is being summoned by the State Information Commission and represented by a private advocate. Speaking to media persons after the hearing of the case, the governor's private lawyer said that he had filed a reply to the Goa State Information Commission that the governor be not made a party to the RTI case filed by Iris Rodriguez and that the governor enjoyed privilege of immunity under Article 361 of the Constitution. Advocate Carlos Ferreira further pointed out that the governor by law was not responsible for the actions of his office.
On behalf of the respondent number 1, we have claimed privilege, and we have claimed two things. The governor is not a necessary party. Firstly, because there is no order which has been passed by the governor, so there cannot be a complaint against the governor. And secondly, we have also taken the privilege which is extended to the governor, protection, under Article 361 of the Constitution. The governor cannot be personally responsible for any act which is done in pursuance of his functions in discharge of his duties.
Speaking to media persons, Advocate Rodriguez maintained that the governor was indeed a public figure as President Pratibha Patil had herself accepted that she was a public figure and came under the purview of the RTI Act.
I have explained to the Commission that this is not a civil or criminal case. This is a case under the Right to Information Act, and that the governor gets no immunity. In fact, I have explained to the Commission that even the President of India has accepted today that she is a public authority. Pointed out to the Commission that I have documentary proof with me that the Raj Bhavan has been selectively giving information under the Right to Information Act.